Ulf Kviberg, and I'm the CTO here at AM Efficiency. And today I have the new machine UNPIT, or newly released at least. This machine is taking care of the painstaking work of removing all the loose powder from a powder cake. So pretty much you take a full powder cake like this, or even bigger, and you just pour it into the machine, and closing the hatch, and then we can just start the process to give a glance on what's happening, even if we don't have any air connected. The parts will be tumbled, and we are using ionized air, and we are using 2 different blasting guns where we can blast air, but we can also use them for partly blasting with the own powder from the machine. And in this way we make sure that we don't contaminate the powder, and then in the end you will also be able then to retract almost 100%, or well, 99% of the parts. The parts gets a light clean, so you can expect after processing the parts for about 1 hour, this is the result. And if you look carefully, there are some residues, there are some loose powder still around, but that's why we call it cleaning light. So as you can see, maybe on this you have still some powders here. So we do recommend further processing, but this is a step to get rid of as much powder as possible. And depending on your demand and customer demand, you could use the parts like this, or you can post-process them further in any of the other post-processing machines. So you can choose the timing, and depending on how clean you would like the parts to be, you can choose any time, also depending on how big batch size you have. But if you anyway are going to post-process the parts, it might be possible you clean them just a shorter period of time and then move them to the next machine, or you choose a longer cleaning process, and then maybe the parts will be enough for the purpose. To operate the machine, you need to have electricity. It's a standard 230 socket, 16 amps, nothing special, and you need to connect also compressed air. We haven't any air compressed connection here right now, but you need, it's consuming about 350 liters per minute, and it needs to be between 6 and 8 bars. And then you should also connect industrial vacuum, where you connect the vacuum power outlet here and the suction here. And in this way, the machine can control on and off on the vacuum, and so the machine is only using it when needed. When the full process is done, depending on what type of 3D printer you are using, either you are connecting your processing station directly here and you retrieve all the loose powder from here, or there will be also a possibility to extract the powder to a bucket, and then you can bring the bucket wherever you like. And this powder needs then to be mixed with fresh material, depending on what mixing ratio you want to have. And the powder is ready for the next print, so to say.